Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Jamaican sea moss drink. First, gather your ingredients including dried sea moss, water, milk, and your choice of sweeteners and spices. Next, you will need to thoroughly clean and soak the sea moss to prepare it for blending. Then, combine everything in a blender until smooth. Finally, chill your drink for a refreshing taste. This simple process ensures a delightful, authentic beverage. To begin, take your dried sea moss and rinse it thoroughly under cool running water. This step is crucial for removing any sand or impurities. After rinsing, place the sea moss in a bowl and cover it completely with fresh water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it becomes soft and gelatinous. You will notice it expands quite a bit during this time. Once your sea moss is properly soaked, drain the water and transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh water, your preferred milk, and sweeteners like condensed milk or sugar. For that authentic Jamaican flavor, include spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. After blending, pour your sea moss drink into a pitcher or individual bottles. Place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 2 hours. This cooling period not only enhances the flavor, but also thickens the drink slightly, giving it a more enjoyable texture. Serve your refreshing Jamaican sea moss drink cold, perhaps with a light sprinkle of nutmeg on top for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.